Not exactly what we're needing this morning. Oh, come on. There. There. Get away. All right. He'll keep. Boy, look at his tail. All chewed up from being on a bed. Oh, that was a good fish. There he is. That's a better fish. Well, I hope that's not a walleye. It's another walleye. Holy smokes. Are you kidding me? Well, guys, I don't know what's going on with the walleye today. I got a mustard jam on carpet. Oh well. 2 keeper walleye. Don't know what that's about on jerkbait. But then 1 bass in the box. 2 more that would have came off. Can't keep a bass pen today to save my life. I don't know what's going on with that. Ooh, hey, I do have a tip for you. When you make your sandwich before going fishing, you know you ain't gonna eat it right away. Put the cheese down, put your mustard mayo on the cheese, put your lettuce down, then put your meat on, your turkey, or your hand, whatever you're having. That way your bread doesn't get all soggy. There's your tip for the day. Unless you like soggy bread, then by all means, pour some pickle juice on the bread. I don't care. Well, guys, I'm having a heck of a time keeping them pinned today. I do not know what is going on. Turned out to be a pretty decent day. Caught a lot of fish. Not every decent fish come off except for the one I got in the box and that big walleye. But I don't know, just one of those days. It's fishing. But it ain't over yet either. We got another 3.5 hours. We're just now at the halfway point. So we'll see. New color today though. That's that translucent sexy shad. I'll have to look it up, but you can see how it's almost see-through with a light back with a really light gold yellow stripe. All the big fish have come on that today. I've caught a couple on the concurrent, but this has been the go-to today. Holy shit. Right. Another decent fish. Oh yeah, he makes it. Just barely. Same jerkbait, guys. All my fish today have come out of this 100-yard stretch. Kind of crazy. Fished all around the lake. There he is. Man, it says something for the schoolers today. Feels like another walleye. It's bass. Oh yeah, he'll keep. Fucking walleye again. Oh, big ass walleye. Another walleye, guys. Smaller walleye. I mean, I just don't know what the deal is with the walleye in this bait. Ask you guys, I'm kind of curious how many walleye are normal for a day at Bull Shoals. Because I know on Table Rock, if I catch one, I'm fairly surprised. Catching 8 is like, I've never seen that before. Well, it makes for 9 walleye. And another big walleye. Wow. That's a bass. There we go. That's actually what we're looking for right there, boys. That's a good one. That's what we're looking for.
I was told to say we didn't catch anything.
Gotcha.
Not great.
Me either.
Pretty good little back there.
No, not for this lake.
What do you think you got?
Maybe 10. 11:07. I was pretty close. I think I got a dead fish in there though. Yeah, that ain't gonna make it.
1, 2. 2 of them.
That one will kick over, I think. Yeah, he'll kick over. See him?
Yeah, there he goes.
He'll be fine. Hey guys, Jason Reichard, Crazy Blessed Fishing. So check it out, had a benefit tournament today down at Bull Shoals. Had a lot of fun fishing it. Caught a mess of walleye. I don't know what was going on with the walleye today, but man, they were flat on fire. If it would have been a walleye tournament, may have been a different turnout. Did catch a limit of fish. You'll see that last one come at the boat dock. You didn't get to see it. That was my biggest fish. I was about 15 minutes, 20 minutes early to weigh in, and decided to fish right there at the dock. And there was a point there with a bluff, so I threw out there with this same thing they were biting on all day, which is this Megabits Vision 110 in that translucent sexy shad. I don't know the exact name of it. I'll get it linked to you guys in the description of exactly what it is. That was the only thing I caught a keeper fish on and a plethora of walleye all day. That's the only thing. I mean, I threw rock crawlers different colors. Just threw everything at them but the kitchen sink. Caught one on a fluke that was pretty close to that color. That's what made me decide to swap over and try that. I tried a whole bunch of stuff in Sexy Shad. That was the only thing that was working. And it was actually working pretty good. It got me a limit of fish. So had 5 fish for 11.7 pounds. Not a big bag, not even a decent bag, but it was still a lot of fun. Just seems like this year, every time I go to fish a tournament, we have a cold front come through. And I can tell you, the one thing, if I had to gain one thing from fishing, is learning how to fish cold front, or right after a cold front, or during a cold front coming through. I suck at it. Anyways, had a lot of fun. Man, that Shoals Lake, that's just a lot of fun. I mean, been there twice now, back-to-back weekends. And man, I absolutely love that place. It is just a kick in the pants. It makes fishing fun again. It's easy, easy, easy. Just doesn't get a lot of pressure is what I'm figuring. And there's not a lot of boat traffic. Just really awesome place. If you guys come down fishing Table Rock and you aren't doing any good, make the run down to Shoals. If you go to Diamond City, from my house it's 30 minutes. So from Big Cedar, if you know how far you are from Big Cedar, you're 30 minutes to the launch ramp at Shoals. And it doesn't matter where you go, it's good fishing. So anyways, guys, just want to give you that update. I'm going to start doing a Shoals weekly update just like I do on Table Rock. So tomorrow Table Rock will come out. Anyways, guys, had just a mess of new subscribers this week. Absolutely love it. Thank you all the new subscribers. Thank you all the old subscribers for subscribing to the channel. Be sure and hit the like button. Also, the guys who are watching the channel, if you would, hit the subscribe button. I mean, I'm running roughly 25% of people who watch the videos every week are subscribed. So would really help me out if you do that. I'd really greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for coming with me fishing today. Absolutely had a blast. And tomorrow's Table Rock. So have a great night. Have a blessed night. And we'll see you tomorrow.